Hello, my name is Myra Doyle, and I am an instructor in the Behavioral Sciences Sociology Department, as well as a professional consultant tutor downstairs in the tutoring department in Hill Hall. As an instructor, I like to assign presentations for my Intro to Sociology classes. And what I have noticed in years past is that most of the time the presentations, when they do them, they're bullet pointed slides, they're lots of words, hardly a lot of interaction. They may include a YouTube video or whatnot, and it wasn't exciting. So, and as you all know, if you've ever assigned them, you start glazing over as well as your students about 2 slides in. So once I found out that we had the ability to create on Adobe Creative Cloud, I utilized Premiere Rush, which is what I'm filming myself on currently, and Adobe Express, it used to be known as Adobe Spark, to assign presentations. I created an assignment in Adobe Express myself, instructions, video, everything, walking the students through how to do it, and then I turned them loose as their final presentation about 3 or 4 semesters ago. And it was amazing the amount of student interaction. Once the students realized that they could use Premiere Rush and go out and make videos and upload it into a presentation that they could show to the class, and it was just absolutely eye-opening, and the students really got it. They actually really enjoyed having that creative ability that a PowerPoint and or a Prezi just did not give them. So I hope that you all will think about incorporating Adobe Express and Premiere Rush into your coursework, just to watch, even if it's just one semester, to try to see how much the student engagement in the course material shoots through the roof.